I'm Staci from Caliber, and some things are just better left to the professionals, like dyeing your hair. He means well, but my husband won't be cutting it as a hairdresser anytime soon. The same goes for your investments. Sometimes you just really want to leave all the research, allocation, and rebalancing to the professionals, so you can get on with your day and not worry about getting the mix wrong or leaving something in too long. That's why some investors pick a multi-asset fund. This visit is designed to tell you all about multi-asset funds in case you want to pick one too. I'll be giving you an introduction to multi-asset funds, the different types, and the best performing elite rated options over the last 5 years. First, what is a multi-asset fund? As the name implies, this type of fund invests in more than one asset class: equities, bonds, commodities, property, specialist areas, a variety. The fund manager then alters the amount invested in each asset class depending on market conditions, meaning that you don't have to worry about if the UK is slipping into a recession, trade war tensions, or Brexit. There are a lot of different types of multi-asset funds, and they're usually grouped together depending on how much risk they take. When it comes to multi-asset funds, that risk is usually defined by how much they invest in shares. So, funds that sit in the mixed investment 0 to 35% share sector are generally considered the lowest risk because, as the name suggests, at a maximum they can only invest 35% in equities. Moving up the risk scale would be mixed investments 20 to 60% shares, and if you want more risk, you may want to consider those funds that can invest 40 to 85% in equities. Next is the flexible sector. These funds also invest in several different types of asset classes, but they have no formal constraints on the amount of equities they hold. The final type of multi-asset fund that you might come across are those in the volatility managed sector. Similar to the flexible sector, these funds invest without equity constraints. However, their goal is to manage returns within a specified volatility parameters. Caliber currently has rated 17 multi-asset funds across a range of sectors. Over the last 5 years, the top performing elite rated funds were Liontrust Sustainable Future Managed, TB Wise Multi-Asset Growth, Premier Miton Diversified Growth, Jupiter Merlin Growth Portfolio, and Jupiter Merlin Balanced Portfolio. For more information on how to use multi-asset funds in your portfolio and discover the other 17 rated funds, please visit fundcaliber.com.